In this video, I am going to show you how to solve a medium-level SQL interview problem from Amazon called Finding User Purchases. For this problem, we need to write a query that'll identify returning active users. A returning active user is a user that has made a second purchase within 7 days of any other of their purchases. Output a list of user IDs of these returning active users. We are giving a table called Amazon Transactions. If we preview the table, the transaction table has 5 columns: transaction ID, user ID, item name, record creation date, and revenue. To solve the problem, first, we need to create a base table to identify the next purchase date based on the created at column for each user and calculate the day difference. And we can do that by using the lead function and the date diff function. The lead function is a window function that allows access to a subsequent row's data without requiring a self-join. It takes 2 main arguments: the column to access from the subsequent row and the number of rows to look ahead. To illustrate, I am going to insert a select statement to return all the columns first. Then, use the lead function to get the next purchase date for each user. Insert the lead function with the created at column as the target column, and insert 1 to specify that the function should look at the next row. Next, insert the over clause. The over clause defines the window or the set of rows the function should consider. Follow it with partition by user ID to group the data by each user partition by the purchase date in ascending order. This ensures the lead function fetches the next purchase date chronologically. Name the column as next purchase date. If I run the query, the next purchase date column should return the date of the next purchase by each user for each transaction. To calculate the day difference, use the date diff function. Insert D for day as the unit. The second argument is created at, which represents the current row's purchase date. Then insert the lead function to return the next purchase date. Name the column as day difference. We now have a base table containing columns with day difference between current row purchase date and next purchase date by user, and day difference. Convert the dataset as a CTE and named it dataset. Finally, to calculate the returning active users, select distinct user ID from dataset. And in the where clause, return records where day difference is less than or equals to 7. Run the query. And that should give us the user IDs that have made a second purchase within 7 days of any other of their purchases. Click on Check Solution, and the system will mark the solution as solved. This covers the tutorial, and hopefully you find this video useful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.